Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the top 5 excuses that keep people from achieving their dream life. So with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, this channel is about how to make money online and create passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit that notification bell because that will let you know every time I put a video out, because if you don't see this, then you won't see my other videos. Also, make sure you check out my other videos because I've got plenty of content for you, so you don't want to miss that out. So, with that being said, let's get started and give you the top 5 excuses that keep people from achieving their dream life. So first of all, you need to stop messing around. I see so many people just watching videos and not doing much and just trying to find that little thing that is going to make them a millionaire overnight. Trying to find that one video that will propel them from zero to everything, and that's the people that get scammed all the time. I see this all the time on Facebook groups, and if you go on Facebook groups, you'll probably see that as well. And if you're one of these people asking people how you can make your first $5 online and people are responding, giving you a ton of links, these are all scams basically. So if you want the quick money, just stop it and start actually putting in the work. This is not going to be to everyone's this what I'm talking about, but I just want to bring you the real stuff. I don't want you to miss out, and I really want you to stop taking shortcuts, because this will prevent you as long as you're trying to take some shortcuts. So as long as you're trying to make money quick, you're not going to make money at all, or at least very, very little. So let's get really into these 5 steps because you really want to know this. So the 5th step is they are scared to do something different. You need to stop resisting something different. If you want a different result in your life, you better start doing something different. That's just the way it is. If you do the same thing over and over and over again and you expect a different result, that is the definition of insanity. So you really want to do something different. If you're not where you want to go, or you're not reaching out and progressing to where you want to go, you really need to do something different than you've been doing all that time. Number 4 is the fear of failure. So many people have this thing that they're really scared of failing. But you need to really think about it. What have you got to lose? Maybe people will look at you and say he's a failure, whatever. It's not how many times you fall, it's how many times you get up. So if you get knocked down 5 times, get up 6. And if you get knocked down 10 times, get up 11. It doesn't matter. You will fail along the way. That's just everybody that's created at least a little bit of success has come along some hurdles, has got knocked down, and they just got up every single time. You are going to fail, that's just a fact. But think about this. What have you got to lose? If you should be really, really scared of what you have right now, working a 9 to 5 until you're 65, and this should scare you enough. It should scare you way more than maybe 1 YouTube video that doesn't work, or 10 videos that don't work. I would be really, really scared of working a 9 to 5 every single time, every single day until I'm 65 and only having weekends off. So you are going to have the fear, that's just a fact, but you have to just go through it and do it anyway. Feel the fear and do it. Some people say that you have to be fearless. No, it does get scary to do some stuff, but you have to still do it anyway. Number 3 is that you care too much about what other people think, because you think that putting out a YouTube video people are going to make fun of you, you're going to get some hate, and all these things. First of all, people are not going to watch your videos at the beginning, so it's no big deal. You just have to get over the fear of getting on camera. That's just a given. You have to get over the fear. I remember the first time I put a video out and I put myself in front of the camera, I was so uncomfortable that nothing came out of my mouth. I wasn't able to speak, and I had to do this like 4 times to put out a video that was like less than 30 seconds or 1 minute. It was that bad. But the second video was a lot easier, and the third one was a lot easier, and so on and so on. But that's just one thing. You have to get over the fear of that, but you have to stop caring what other people think, because like the first people will not watch your videos, and once you start getting some hate, that's a very good thing, because that's when people actually start watching your videos. And when people leave some hate, that means that they are jealous of you. So that's some really good stuff. And also, if you get some hate, that will rank your videos even more. So don't worry about what other people think. You just need to get over that. That's one of the biggest things that keep people from achieving their dreams. Because think about it. What other people think is going to stop you from actually achieving your dreams. Think about that. Like, stop thinking about that. No matter who it is, don't worry about what other people think. You just need to stop caring, and this will guide you so much more. You see, anyone has the ability to create like so much freedom, whether it's financial or something else in their lives, but they just have to do it and get over the fear of anything that's holding them back. So you just have to do it. And when you stop caring about what other people think, you will become 10 times more powerful to actually get to what you desire. So just stop caring about other people and just get on with it, because that will make you achieve your dreams. Number 2 is that you think you are not smart enough. You see, a lot of people that are extremely successful were horrible at school. Think Gary Vee, he talks about this sometimes, and how he was really bad at school. Like, even some billionaires were really bad at school. Most of them were, actually. So a lot of people get that into your head. That's just a belief that you have, that you're not good, that you're not intelligent. And because you failed at school and people told you all the time that you were stupid, then you start to believe it. But it's not the case. In fact, the vast majority of people that actually make a ton of money right now were really bad at school and had these same things. Like, if you're really good at school, that doesn't mean you're really good at making this, making money online. But you can become that way. And if you were really bad, that's actually a good sign, and that probably means that you can make some money online. So this is just something that's holding you back in your mind, because you just have to change your belief and mindset, because that's just like something that people told you over and over again, and then you started believing it. But if you really take confidence in yourself, then you will start to believe that you are actually smart enough. I believe in you. You can do this, but I can't do it for you. You just have to believe it and get started. Number 1 is people get too comfortable. People have a 9 to 5 job that's not good, but they don't hate it either. They have their daily routine. They come home, they get in front of the TV, they just hang out, they have a beer, or no matter what it may be. I don't know you, but this could be you. If you are comfortable with your life, you might have a house, you can eat at the end of the month, and you sort of want that thing to create financial freedom, and you want to make money online, but it's not that bad that you actually want to do anything about it. But here's the thing, you have to get out of your comfort zone so that you can actually get to the next step. It all starts with a decision. You really have to decide that you want to get to the next step and actually make some proper money online. You really have to get out of your comfort zone. That's going to help you to progress in life, and you're just going to love yourself for doing that. And I can't do too much if you're too comfortable, but you just have to get through it and really dig through what you really want in life, and that will help you. Also, make sure you watch my goals video, because that will help you set goals and actually achieving them. This is one of the videos that you want to search. It's on my channel. I'll try and link it in the description, but most of the time I forget to do that. So if I don't link it in the description, just find it. It's called something like how to create goals and achieve them, or something along these lines. So if you're too comfortable, this can be one of the good videos for you to watch. So with that being said, this was the video for today. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell once you've done that. Also, make sure you leave me a comment and a like, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.